Hi, good afternoon. It's a Monday and I'm going out to get some groceries for the house. I thought to share something I, I have been thinking about since morning. A friend of mine, a very long time friend of mine, called me today very early. She think she woke me up from sleep. It's been long we spoke. I used to call her, but along the line, I think we lost touch with each other, and then she called me. There are a lot of cars passing. The air too is blowing, so the sun is entering my eyes. But all the same, let's go. I have my umbrella, so let's take. Oh, okay. So she called me. Let's just use the sun. She called me today, telling me, asking whether I had traveled, like I have relocated, and I told her I had not. It sounded funny because what she told me was that she sees my videos online. She thinks I'm not in Ghana. And that made me laugh. And I told her I was in Ghana. She was still surprised because she still insisted that the pictures and the videos she sees shows I'm outside. So there, I had not even sat in an aeroplane before. I had not gone anywhere. The only place I know I traveled to is my village. Is it the village pictures that makes her feel? Is it the village pictures that she sees that makes her feel I have traveled? She still insisted that maybe I go and come. I haven't gone anywhere, my dear. This shows how far social media can make people think. Sometimes you may be doing the basic things. Some people might be posting not everything though, but the bare minimum, like not really anything serious, but some other people might find it to be very, very serious. You might see people sitting in cars or standing by people's cars, and then you might think it's theirs. Meanwhile, it might be someone's car that they might be using. I'm going to some currently looking for church to go. This made me think about so many things. There are so many things people might not have, may not be having. There's a car at the top. Let me stand here and wait. There are so many things a lot of people may not be having, but people might think that they have it because of the little that they show on social media. And it's just funny. She still didn't believe that I told her I don't travel. I haven't traveled. But then it is what it is. Sometimes you might show. For me, I like to enjoy the little things I have. So maybe all those things you saw made her feel that I had traveled. All the same, let's go to town and come. Okay, see you. I'm waiting for my church. I'll see you later. Bye. Sorry.
I don't know go be you. I know what. So what? No fancy on it. Oh, wait, man. How did and I will miss. I hope so fine. But could be the also now page at the above. I don't know condition. Condition.
But you're more Sadia. Sadia,
me just yes, set Mr. Lord and I watch it.
I don't imagine I'm not doing it. You want you didn't mean anything. Next time.